Hi everyone, welcome back. I am Utpal Raj and in this video I will show you how to use your iPhone password for locked notes. So instead of creating a separate password just for Notes app, Apple also allow you to use your iPhone's existing password to protect locked notes. And this makes easy to unlock notes and also you don't need to remember any extra password. To do this, just open Settings app on your iPhone. Now scroll down to bottom and click on Apps. Within this section, you need to find Notes app and click on it. Now on the Notes app settings page, scroll down and click on Password option. Within this section, click on Use Device Password. Verify your identity, and after this, if you want to use Face ID, then turn on the toggle right to Face ID or disable this toggle. And that's it. From now on, you won't need a separate notes password. Your locked note can be securely accessible using your iPhone passcode or Face ID if this option is enabled. So if this video helped you in any way, make sure to like it, share it and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.